Living in Anne Arundel County means natural beauty to me.
But I would say the water is my biggest love of Anne Arundel County.
Our natural environment.
To be able to go out to Bacon Ridge and go for a long hike, or get in a kayak and go out into the water.
There are wonderful parks here.
My wife was always intrigued about living in Anne Arundel County because she always felt that we probably should live near a body of water.
My name's Sue Brillhart. I'm from the northeast Anne Arundel County, and I am in the Patapsco River watershed.
My name is Mary Ann Marbury, and I live in the Severn River watershed.
And my name is Nina Fisher, and I also live in the Severn River watershed.
My name is Denise Wheeler, and I live in the Magathie River watershed. However, River of Life Worship Center's watershed is the Patuxent River watershed.
My name is Paul Rickett, and I live in the Herring Bay watershed, and I live on Broadwater Creek.
My name is Bill Bauer, and I live in the Severn River watershed.
I'm a dental hygienist by trade. I'm retired now, and I found a new passion, and it was stormwater devices in our community in Anne Arundel County.
My professional background is in bond construction underwriting.
And my background is in environmental sciences and geology.
My professional background is in advocacy, child and youth advocacy, working to promote health and safety and well-being for children and families and communities.
My professional background, I'm an accountant by trade and a business owner, and since retirement I have moved into environmental issues.
My professional background is in civil engineering. I'm licensed as a water resources and environmental civil engineer and land surveyor.
So we've done everything from planting in BMPs to creating a garden club, to building a native garden with a grant, to a tree troopers program where it was a long strip of all invasives, removing them and planting 44 trees and shrubs.
4 years ago, we created Save Our Trees, which ultimately became a part of Watershed Stewards Academy. And to date, we have saved close to 13,000 trees, canopy trees.
I decided to start small, talk to the board, talk to the congregation, talk to the various ministries within the larger ministry, and try to work collaboratively that way through education and awareness.
Watershed Stewards of the Severn River, we meet quarterly. We go over various types of restoration projects that are going on. We review development projects that are in the application pipeline, and we get together and collaborate and share ideas.
I feel more connected to my watershed now because I feel like I'm making a difference, that every small thing that I do has a direct impact.
Everyone is so supportive and willing to help and chip in when you're doing projects that it just makes you feel like you want to do more for them and then volunteer for their projects as well.
I feel more connected to my watershed because I've made improvements. I have engaged community members throughout every project I've ever done, so that's been rewarding for me.
It's so gratifying to give back to not only the community, but to the environment. And we have such a precious area. Our watershed is just amazing.
I feel more connected to the people and residents of the watershed.
The projects are never ending in this community. We could go on, and we will go on.
Really, we're all part of this watershed. We all live here, we work here, we play here, and everybody needs to become involved in some small or large way in conserving our environment and passing it on to future generations.